Sorry.
Ellen? Ellen's here.
No, I didn't see her.
Right in the corner over there. She came here on her lunch.
Great.
To get us back to
So this is Mr. Tough Guy.
He thinks Kathy Colorito's big. I don't want to bring him over there.
Yeah. I just took him from the doctor, so he's going to take a dump. Dill?
If I don't clean it up, Tuxie will eat it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I treat his food so it won't burn the grass. I told Mary where to get it. Let's see if she gets it. Well, look at both of them. Yeah.
At night I can't see it.
I have floodlights at my place. I got that special stuff for his food, so when he dumps it doesn't burn.
I didn't know you could get something like that.
Yeah, takes the acid out of it.
That's very interesting.
He's gonna dump soon.
Yeah, he's gonna go too.
On the windowsill in the living room.
Come on, you want to play?
Oh, okay. That would be a good spot, right? On the
Meat in
windowsill
there.
in the living room.
The goo.
You want your noodles in a bowl with sauce? Do you want some noodles in a bowl with sauce?
Oh, you guys gotta go see the basement, Janet.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Hey, you want some noodles in a bowl?
Wait. Hey, Rap.
What?
Here.
Before this gets broken.
Where's the band? Right here. Here, right. As you walked in.
Bully Doom.